the 21st of November 2022. On the last trading day of the week, a positive outlook prevailed in the European and US stock indices. DAX increased 1.16% in Germany, CAC 41.04% in France, and FTSE 100 in England increased 0.53%. On the US side, the Dow Jones rose 0.59% and the S&P 500 rose 0.48%, while the Nasdaq was priced flat. The euro to US dollar pair fell close to 0.5% to 1.03. By contrast, DXY rose to 106.9 points. The US 10-year Treasury bond yield also increased by 4.4 bps to 3.82%. Due to the increase in DXY, even though ounce of gold lost 0.6%, it managed to stay above $1.750. Brent oil, which has been in a downward movement since the middle of the week, fell 2% on Friday to $88 per barrel. Housing statistics for the month of October were included in the data stream of the USA. Used home sales came in at 4.43 million, slightly above the market expectation of 4.38 million. However, the 0.28 million decrease in sales compared to the previous month indicated that the decline continued. Asian markets started the new week with sales due to the increase in sick deaths in China. This morning, the Shanghai Composite Index fell 0.54% and the Shenzhen Composite Index fell 0.55%. The Hong Kong Hang Seng Index leads at 1.47%. The news of sick-related deaths in China, for the first time in months, caused concern in the markets that Beijing might tighten the measures. The recent relaxation of quarantine and testing criteria increased the optimism in the markets. Also, today, the People's Bank of China, PBOC, did not change the benchmark interest rates for the third consecutive month, meeting the market expectations. The one-year loan interest rate remained at 3.65% and the five-year rate at 4.3%. Limited purchases are available in Japanese indices. At the start of the week, sales across Asia are monitored. MSCI Asia excluding Japan index is down 1.17%. The rise of the US dollar against major currencies continues with the effect of concerns originating from China. DXY, which carries its increase to the third day, is around 107.3 this morning. The US 2-year Treasury bond yield also increased for the third day, reaching 4.52% this morning. On the first trading day of the week, although last month's PPI data in Germany came in with a decrease of 4.2% against the expectation of a 0.9% increase, it did not provide a significant change in the euro's parity. It is currently traded at 1.0270. This week, Wednesday will be closed due to the Japanese Labor Day holiday. The USA will be closed on Thursday due to Thanksgiving, and will close early on Friday at 1 p.m. These holidays will cause a lack of volume in the market this week. There is no very important data flow for today. We will watch the speeches of various central bank officials. I wish everyone a nice week. Don't forget subscribe.